Wanna ride with me, that's about me, go get out with me, yeah. Shawty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride with me.
Hey guys, it's Josh back with another What Josh Eats video, and today me and my dad are going to go to Wawa, a gas station like restaurant, well not restaurant but a food convenience store, and we're just gonna buy some stuff to eat. So we're just doing like a vlog for today, and it's breakfast time.
It's not breakfast time.
It's 10 a.m.
It's like brunch.
Yeah, and we're gonna, well, I'm gonna try to buy a sandwich and see what other stuff they have.
Oh, your mom said she wants a sandwich too.
Yeah, and we're gonna buy one for my mom.
When I forgot to buy on the thing, you understand? Don't mix me up in it.
So we're going right there right now.
Of like a very good cheeseburger, but they sell that at like after 4 o'clock, till later on, like. But that the cheeseburger is like you tell them what you want. This is what I like about Wawa. You tell them what you want on the sandwich and they put it on it. It's not like it comes pre-done, you know. And you can choose healthier options for your sandwich. Yeah. So.
Yep. So we're going there right now. So stay tuned.
And there is the Wawa, just a couple minutes from the house. And you see them in a major cities. Wawa popping up. Yeah. So they get yourself a burger. Oh, I mean a sandwich, sorry. Let's go. It's raining. Get ourselves one of this Panini something, and they have stuff like this at 4 o'clock. You can get this type of stuff. Of course, you know you have to order at the mobile ordering station, then you go and pay for your order. Start, go. Which one you want? Hot and spicy? Yeah.
Skip that.
I don't remember which one your mom wants. stuff they have. It's like a regular convenience store, but better. We are back out of the Wawa. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You know, easy going in and coming out. We get through very easily. There's so much more stuff we could have buy in the Wawa. So much stuff we could have gotten. I mean, we have to limit yourself. You have to tell yourself, say, you're not buying a whole heap of stuff. Cause don't you, Josh?
Yeah.
You know, cause it's so much stuff. I promise you. You know, but as I say, we're just here for the sandwiches, and we did not have anything for breakfast, so we just grabbed some sandwiches. And the next thing we're gonna do is boogie. Here. Sorry.
We eat at home.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we made it back home and we got the panini, man. And I'm just gonna show y'all. Let me turn it around. You can see the order number, oven turkey, panini, all that. And then under it, it says Wawa, served hot, ready to go. And here's how it looks, guys. Looks very good size. Looks delicious. You can see the opening. Has some spinach, it looks like pico de gallo. Yeah, and it has like sauce. And I think there's cheese under here. But yeah, pretty good size, if you ask me. And we're about to dig in. And right now we're just in the backyard area. So we're gonna be eating here today. I have some hot sauce, I'm gonna put it. And I have also some mustard. And you gotta put mustard on sandwiches. Hot sauce, you don't have to, but I like it. Now the mustard, this, put the mustard all of it on the sandwich. And if you don't like mustard, what are you doing right now, man? I mean, grow up, please. Just grow up. And it already has some spicy sauce on it, as you can see. Like, it has like this orange looking color sauce. But we're gonna be digging in. See how it looks? A full panini sandwich. We're just gonna break it in half. And it has some spinach. I don't like spinach that much, but on sandwiches, like, I guess it's edible. Okay. I'm about to taste it. It's good, it's good. You can taste that cream cheese and that mayo. And the turkey tastes pretty fresh, to be honest. The bread is a little like scrunchy, sort of. It's good though. That pico de gallo they have, it tastes like fresh salsa. Well, it tastes like salsa. But you gotta have it with the hot sauce and mustard, guys. Look. I don't know if you can hear the birds chirping and whatnot. This is good, and it's only $6, so if you're really hungry and you want to eat healthy, just stop by Wawa. It's literally a gas station. And get some gas and get some food. Normally I wouldn't order like this type of sandwich, but yeah. And at the bottom they have cream cheese that you can really taste. I like cream cheese a lot. This is good, guys. Trust me. It reminds me of probably Panera Bread. Really good. Just turn this into a mukbang. Out of 10, I'll give this, panini wise, I'll give this, hold on a second. I'll give this a solid 7.5. The turkey's good. They put a good amount of turkey. It's a good amount of food. Like, normally some places give their sandwiches small, but this is actually a good size sandwich compared to my head size. It's pretty good. Especially if you're on a diet and if you don't want any burgers or anything like that. So guys, that's what we had at Wawa today, man. I'm not sure if they have it everywhere, but you can definitely find it in Florida, in lots of places in Florida. I'm pretty sure they have it in Georgia too, and South Carolina. But yeah, this is Wawa, served hot and ready to go. That's my review of their turkey panini. And normally I would never ever eat this. Like, I would never order this at a restaurant ever. But it still tastes pretty good. So 7.5 out of 10.
Alright, so Joshua had his sandwich and these are ours. I didn't know what you want, so I think you have the upside down, but alright. I just ordered, this is an egg white turkey sandwich with cheese and vegetables and stuff. What do you think about that, Ebs?
Yeah, it's good.
And then this one, so I just, as I said, just ordered, yeah, this one is turkey again with something. Avocado and stuff. So, yeah, so these are sandwiches. Maybe we could probably switch and switch around and take one piece and one piece. All right, and then we can make them know how it tastes. All right. So the sandwiches are good. I mean, from the standpoint of being a ready-made sandwich, good though. It don't feel ready-made. It don't feel like commercially made sandwich.
It's giving me Panera Bread vibe. Definitely not a gas station store vibe. It's juicy. Even though we didn't warm it up, it's still...
And they serve them fresh. And we never bother warm it up. We just decided to go with it as is. So Joshua is gonna close out the video. As I said, this is really what Josh eats. Me and mommy just take it up because we're hungry too. So if you are in anywhere that you see a Wawa, do not be, intimidated. Do not think, okay, it's just a regular, gas station convenience store. You do have a little bit of gourmet going on over there. The next thing we might try is their burger, as we were talking about it. Yeah, love it. I'm gonna finish my lunch, so.
So guys, remember to like. Gotta remember to comment. Can't ever forget not to subscribe. Share. Tell your friends to tell your friends to tell a friend that Josh tasted this at Wawa, and you guys gotta try it, man. But yeah, that's it, bro. As I said before, like, comment, share, subscribe on what Josh eats. Comment. Actually, you guys can comment down below what should I try next. What other type of food I should try next? Because I'm open for suggestions, guys. But yeah, that's it for this video. We tried Wawa. Josh the Real out. Keep your head up. Peace.